Dude, we're going to Mars.
It's such a profoundly liberating technology that if you really understand it at the mechanical level, it's a spiritual technology. That's what I fundamentally believe, right? Blockchain is a spiritual technology. 3 principles of spirituality. First thing is transparency. Like, if you don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what you're doing, it's really hard to build that trust. The second piece is decentralization, which is inclusion. Anybody in the world can jump in a 24-hour marketplace, GM, download a wallet, and get started. That's such an inclusive process that's never really happened ever before. The last piece is both of those mechanisms are vital for trust to be formed. So without having transparency, without being truly inclusive and decentralized, you cannot really have trust. And blockchain principles is don't trust, but verify. Everything that we do is hashed out. Everything that we do is on the blockchain. And I think that's the power of this technology. For the first time in humanity, we have spiritual technology built into a tech stack that is truly inclusive, decentralized, and builds trust in communities and across the world. I'm Alkemist. I'm Web3.